Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable offline mode on Spotify on your phone, right? So let's get into our Spotify mobile application here, and if you want to disable offline, let me show you how to do that. Now here on the top left side corner you have to go to your profile icon, go to the setting and privacy, and here you will get this option offline mode. So you have this is turn on, but I can just turn it off. So this is how I can turn it off, and this is how you can do so, right? So it's really easy thing to do, it's not a big deal, and this is how you can do. And if you just go a little bit down more somewhere, if you see any option of offline mode, then you can always find it. Now in this way you will won't be able to play offline videos which is already, songs which is already on your phone, audios or something, right? But in the future, whenever you feel like to do so, you can always do it. So this is really easy thing to do, and thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.